Hey guys, and welcome back to the mining problem. And today in this video, well, we're kind of gonna repair stuff, cause the last time I was on this world, like everything like got destroyed and removed because of some glitchy thing with Minecraft, but I don't know what it was. So from the last episode, we filled up these chests, but as you see, there's not that much stuff because I tried to do the best I could of getting back the materials, and we lost all of our armor and weapons. So yeah. So we got the lucky sword from the lucky blocks, and the lucky blocks, I tried to open lucky blocks and open them and open again to get the sword, but I realized that you could just make your own, because I put looting and breaking, fire aspect, and knockback and sharpness. If you don't believe that I put different achievements on, go check in the other video where I got the diamond sword, but I renamed it and I got all the books, so yeah. So what I want to do in this video, I want to actually finish off our house for once, because we tried to do that in a couple of videos back, I think it was, but we never got to do that, so I think that I should do that in this video. And first, we should go to the farm. Go. Wait a second. I think, oh yeah, I came here for something. Oh yeah, there's sand over here. I'm looking for sand to get glass. There we go. Oh, might as well take that while I'm here. Go over here. Dig that stuff. Okay, we're up. So I'm just gonna get as much. Oh wait. Oh, I just remembered. We had tons of sand in the chests, so we didn't really have to get this, but I'm just getting extras for if we need it. And I need to eat something. Do I have any carrots or anything? Nope, I don't have them on me. So, yeah. Well, my shovel's about to break, which is not good. And we should go home. Okay, never glitched out on us this time. So, yeah. Just gonna go get some the carrots down here in that chest. Okay. There we go. Kind of learning how to put all of one item in a chest, so that's what I tried to do there. I took one stack and then I moved all the others in there. So that's what I did. And now I have to take like a couple more. Wait, no, I'm gonna take 4. We don't have any coal. Wait, we have some coal in the chest upstairs, but I think well, we don't really have coal in our furnaces, but I'm gonna go look for some this episode, or I could make a lucky block and be lazy, or I don't know, I need to go mining. So that's what we're gonna do. I just realized my redstone tree, the logs, well, the wood is gone, so that's not good. Do I want to use my minions? Who cares? I'll use them. So what was it? How did you... No, not that. It was... There we go. Dig a mine shaft right there. Go, work. Whoa, that takes up a lot of hunger. I don't know why that takes up a lot, but it's just... I don't know why it takes up a lot. Go, go. Did I really just stop them from doing that? Dig mine shaft. There we go. Wow, I positioned that right. Just work, work. Oh, and there's some of the coal. Nope, don't. Huh, you get back up. Okay, so I'm gonna go see what's in this huge ravine over here. I see some coal over there, but I don't think... Oh, okay, that was a bad idea. How am I gonna get over there? Just gonna pile over with some dirt. And there we go. There we go. We got 15. Jump down. And don't die. No, no, no. Okay, there we go. So that's good. And got that. Oh, that's a lot of coal over there. Like that. Oh. Here it is. Got that coal. And now we should go over here. Whoa. Got to be careful. Where is everything? Like, where are all the ores? Because I can't find anything. Besides coal and iron. Oh, cool. Got over a stack of coal, so it's gonna be good. And wow, that knockback. And dig. Ah. Dig. Okay, there we go. Just need like a couple more stacks, I guess. Or I could try to find another cave system from this ravine, which I don't think I'm gonna find. I'm gonna name this ravine. Wait. I don't know how to spell ravine. I I don't know how to spell ravine, so I try to spell my best. Wait, what was it? Okay, it's you. Now let's teleport home. Oh wow. Oh what? Ugh. Man, I can't believe how this is still going, and I gave it like 4 pieces. Okay, there we go. Let's build up with this grit. Wait, no. Let's build up with this granite. Man, I can't talk today. Let's do that. Get out of my way, tree. Ugh. Okay, here we go. And yeah, so that's technically the top done. I'm gonna go over here like this. I better not mess up. If Fade Miner messes me up, I'm just gonna get mad if that happens. There we go. Might as well go to sleep while I can. Okay, so how'd I take fall damage? That was weird. Like I jumped into the bed and then I took fall damage when I got out. That was really weird. So I'm just gonna finish this. Ran out of glass. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to make the rest of that. Well, the rest of this part, because I already wasted 51. Well, more than 51. Like 1.5 stacks of my glass. So I don't know if we're gonna finish it, but it's gonna be good. So let's just go over here like this. Ah, man. Jump up. And there we go. So, yeah, we almost got the roof complete, but now I just need to go down. Wait, no. I need to smelt all of this clay. Go. Yeah. Go. So now we've got bricks and we've got glass, I think. Yeah. We've got glass and bricks. So yeah, that's good. And just get rid of all of that. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna need a new diamond shovel soon. Because I'm just like wasting. I thought it was like a tiny patch, but it's actually huge. Just gonna jump right there. Fix that. And there we go. So I'm now gonna make well, I'm gonna make some more chests for our room up there. So for our storage, but I don't know if we need that much. But it's fine. Oh, what am I doing? Let's make 6 chests. Well, I thought that there was more chests because, like, I thought 41 made a lot of chest, but no, it doesn't. I think I'm gonna do that. So I don't... Exactly what I was about to say. I was gonna say so I don't fall off, but then I fall off. Wait. We still have our slime blocks and our slime balls because we have a lot of slime stuff. So we're not gonna be running out of slime balls anytime soon. So yeah. Just gonna go get some of that other brick so we can make bricks. And then gonna probably make an extension to the house. Oh, I'm making it wrong. It's like that. No, I did that wrong. And there we go. So we've got 7 bricks. Don't know how it's gonna be a lot, but where do I make the house extension? I'm guessing this way. Yeah, it's gonna be this way. So I'm just gonna do it like that, make a door. If I have any wood on me. No, I do not have any wood. Darn it. Well, I'm gonna make a door and then we're gonna wrap up this episode. Yeah, so we're just gonna wrap up the episode after I make a door and then place it. Whoa, you get 3? I never knew that. I'm used to like 1.7 and 1.6.4, but I never realized it gave you 3 doors. Huh, that's cool. So, yeah, it's gonna be the end of this episode in the mining problem. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. Please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed. Bye!